Pacioretty just makes a change. Kadri forechecking, and he exacted his revenge against Weber. Jordie Benn reacts to Kadri, and Weber wants him first. And now Jake Gardner comes in, and he's got to be careful. Jordie Benn takes him. You could tell from the moment that he got back up that Nazem Kadri was mad and he was going to get somebody.
Well, I thought watching it live, it looked like he caught Weber too. I mean, you can argue all you want whether their initial one, obviously Kadri felt that Pacioretty should have got something. There's the original play. He's got the puck there and just gets hit hard. Yeah, right on the numbers and about 3 or 4 feet away from the boards, and that's why he went in awkwardly. And there he caught. Fortunately, I think for him, Jim, he did catch the shoulder first of Weber, but Weber got right up and got back into the pile, and I think Kadri knew he better get down and not absorb too much of that.
Well, he's been giving it to the referees and to the Montreal Canadiens at 4:34 of the third period.